Well, today at Profit Ignite, we're joined by the legendary investor, Mr. Manish Chokhani. Always a pleasure having you at NDTV Profit, Mr. Chokhani. I'll do a quick rapid fire with you.
Sure.
The first question is, which sector is the sunrise sector that you're eyeing right now?
Sunrise sector. There's so many. The whole country is a sunrise right now.
And what is the sector that you're staying away from right now?
Honestly, I've been staying away from the traditional Indian IT and buying the more of the newer age IT companies. Although both are great businesses.
What are the two tailwinds that you think will form the next structural reform for the markets for the next 3 to 5 years?
For our markets, the government has been actually very active on it. As you've seen, they have earlier, of course, they were corporate tax cuts. Then they gave us this year income tax rate cuts. We've got a GST cut already to give buoyancy in Diwali. The RBI has got into the act with interest rate cuts and also with a lot more liquidity and process reform. I expect a lot more second gen type reforms which the government has been talking of
Okay.
on judicial process and a lot of other kinds of things, which makes life a little faster because you can make money either by margin or by velocity by doing things faster. And India is getting faster, and it's a day where I've come where Mumbai has just had its metro inaugurated, its new airport inaugurated. We've now got the coastal road and the Trans Harbour link. So things are going to move faster, and I think that's what portends for our country as well.
And on the flip side, what do you think is the biggest risk that India could face for the bull market trend?
The biggest risk for any country, and not just us, is about complacency. That the mere fact that we have the potential should not mean we've already arrived. And there is a lot of hard work ahead of us. Don't forget the US is today 75% of global market cap, although their share of GDP is not even 30%. India is barely 3.5% of global market cap. So we are like a mid cap in the world. And it's inevitable over the next 20 years, we should become a large cap for the world. But it's not a given unless we do all the right things. So I'm hopeful this generation makes it happen.
Absolutely. And one global trend that you think that Indian investors are probably missing on that they need to capture right now.
Well, two things. One is the most obvious, of course, is AI, that we're not really a player and a participant over there in a meaningful way. And it's really a battle now between the US and China. I'm hopeful that our younger generation will get us involved in this game. But the larger change which is happening afoot is this whole move away from a global unified world to one which is breaking clearly into two camps after Trump's presidency. And it's clearly becoming a US versus China battle.